Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to land this Boeing 737 in X-Plane 11 with an engine failure. So in the approach we'll have an engine failure, and yeah, we have to land without an engine, so I'll show you how we do that. So let's start. First we just follow normal procedures. Let's say autopilot on approach. I've already programmed the FMC. Let's give flaps 30. That's fine. Flaps 30. Up to 50%. 50% is good. And in a bit, one of the engines will fail. I don't know which one, but one will fail. I don't know when. Maybe in a bit. Oh, okay, maybe. Okay, engine fire. Okay, engine fire handle pull. Rotate. Okay, shut down engine. Idle. That is shut down, so we have to apply a bit of rudder. Okay, autopilot disconnected. Okay, lights low. Okay, we're going to go for the numbers. We're going to land on the numbers. Go reverse first engine. Okay, put those down, and we're going to call for vacation, and we're just going to stop on this runway. We're just going to clear because there's other planes. We're just going to apply a bit of power. Never mind. We're just going to master quotient. Pull that down. Flaps up. Yeah, so we're just going to stop here. Stop here. Parking brake. And we will turn off the fuel pumps. Gas feed valve will be opened. Okay, so APU, we're gonna go started. Beautiful. APU is gonna come on. Ground power can also come on. Signal signs are always auto. Hydraulics can come off. Low pressure, that's fine. That's all off. Now we'll do the shutdown. All of the lights can come off. APU off. All of the landing lights are off. And I will just move myself here. Okay, so let's see this. Go down. Window heat off. APU bleed off. I don't know. That's fine. Emergency lights. Emergency lights. Not turned. Ground power is off. Standby power is on. Battery off. Battery is off. All engines are off. Boost transfer. Everything is off. Now if you turn bus transfer on, everything will turn on. So let's go with everything to off. And standby power off. Everything's gone. Release the parking brake. We can just do that, and I will show you a replay actually, just to show you how we actually landed this plane. Just landing, not anything else. So we were coming in here. Let's go a bit higher. Okay, so you see engine had fire. Wait, let me show you. When did engine have fire? Did it happen somewhere? Oh, there you go. Engine fire. Wait. Okay, let's play it. Let's see. See engine fire. Then I pulled the handle, which is right there. I pulled this thing. I pulled this up. That time, which made it stop, and then I aimed for this one, the numbers, and landed it. See the landing. Beautiful flare and landing. Okay, so that will be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and you learned how to do this engine fire procedure. And I will see you in the next one. And see you in the next one. Peace out.